In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text around a circle in Canva. This is a great technique for logos, badges, stickers, and social posts where you want your words to follow a round shape cleanly and consistently. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can get a polished result without guesswork. First, make sure you have your design open in Canva. On the left sidebar, click on Elements. This is where all shapes and graphics live. In the search field at the top of the Elements panel, type Circle. You'll see options like solid circles, outlined circles, and decorative versions. Select the simple shape that fits your design. Drag it onto your canvas and resize it by pulling the corner handles until it's roughly the diameter you want for your text to follow. Next, go back to the left sidebar and click on Text. From there, click Add a Heading. A text box appears on your canvas. Type the words you want to wrap around the circle. Keep an eye on how long your phrase is. Longer phrases may need smaller font sizes to sit nicely around the shape. With your text box selected, look to the top toolbar and click Effects. In the Effects panel, find and click Curve. Instantly, your text will arc. Now bring that curved text near your circle and position it so it starts to hug the edge. Use the rotate handle above the text box to align it along the top, bottom, or sides of the circle, depending on your layout. To fine-tune the fit, adjust the curve slider in the Effects panel. Sliding to the right increases the curvature. Sliding to the left can invert it so the text curves the opposite way. Aim to match the curvature to the circle's edge, then nudge and rotate the text until the spacing feels even. If the curve looks too tight or too loose compared to your shape, tweak the slider a little at a time for precision. As you refine, remember that subtle changes go a long way. If your phrase feels crowded, try shortening the text or slightly reducing the font size. If letters seem too far apart along the curve, a small adjustment to letter spacing can help the arc read smoothly. Keep repositioning the text so it visually kisses the circle's edge without overlapping. And that's it. You've wrapped text around a circle in Canva with clean, professional results. Save your design, and you're ready to use it across your projects.